Look at this. Man down, pimp down. This cannot be right. We gotta fix this. And you back. Welcome, 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 welcome. Eva's Plantful Journey. And as you can tell, I have an issue, some things I need to tend to. My Anthurium Regale is toppling over, and I have to propagate my Philodendron. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's really cute. You'll get to see it in just a second. We're gonna make this quick, straightforward, and to the point. And the affirmation will get snuck in there, so don't even try to skip it because you need it. It is, I easily manifest any goal I set for myself. Good. So, as you just saw, sterilize my kitchen shears. We watch, we don't judge. Here she is. She got little crispies, but she's doing good. I unboxed her a while ago. She came from, what's the name of that place? I did an unboxing on it. The Green Escape. That's where she came from, the Green Escape. When she got here, I don't remember how much she was. I know it was greater than 40 because it looked like ooze noodles. I have to admit so, but she came back and she came back really good, as you can see. Now it's just neglect on my behalf. But as you can see, I knew this was coming because she was toppling over, so I prepared myself. Put some sphagnum moss mixed with some tree fern fiber and some good old saran wrap. Hopefully she has some roots down there so this transition will be easier, and then I can use the stump and have another plant. Maybe I'll put that on my, maybe I'll sell it. I probably won't. I like the anthuriums. So let's see. It's roots. It's roots, roots, roots. Okay, look, I'm gonna bring it. Oh, she rooted. She rooting. Something finally came out right for me. Look at that. She rooted. Your girl is rooted. Let me take this stuff off, and then we'll get a closer look. Now, I gotta be honest. I have propagated a Anthurium before, but not this way. I probably propagated the hardest way ever first. I pollinated my claverinarium and made seeds twice. I got a whole bunch of seedlings brewing. I swear I have over 50 Anthurium babies that I need to get rid of. So once I remove the sphagnum moss and tree fern fiber, this is what we have. So this should be an easier transition. She has lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of. So I'm just gonna chop it up. Let's see. I'm gonna go down here. Bam! Booyah! There it is. She's free. Free from the mess and the stress of that little pot I had her in. But honestly, I might just put her back in the same pot. I'm not gonna lie, I don't have any pots, and I went to go out again and my car's still not starting. But we're gonna carry on, we're gonna be positive and keep it moving. It will get fixed. The battery connector, whatever, not my business. It's a problem for somebody else that live here. Don't tell them I said that. So I got my rooting hormone somewhere around here. You know, I'm gonna dip it in that, dust it off, and keep it moving. I'm going to do this too. Sugar. I'm gonna leave that alone. I'm gonna do that off camera. Yeah, I don't need to see that. Okay, so this is the next plant that I am going to chop really quick so you guys can see it. And I can get on with my day. It begins with an A. I'm not gonna try to pronounce it. Somebody pronounce it for me. You know what it is. This is it. It's in a mason jar, and it look really terrible in there. So I gotta do something about that. But what I have this in, this is tree fern fiber, sphagnum moss, and I got this little doodad from I actually got it from Temu. I think Temu is really good for a little plant whatnots, because anything related to plants, for some reason, they want to like charge us 100 times more. Was this necessary? Probably not. Did I get it? Yes, I did. Would I do it again? I don't know, because I believe this is the largest one. And it hurt my plant. It like dug into it. I wish it had some weird little like tabs in it. So I couldn't use this with any other plant. The stem on the plant has to be really, really thin. And I don't think that they can take that into consideration, considering the stem on this is really thin. I think it's useful if it actually had a greater opening at the top. It may work for some plants, it just didn't work for this one. But before I take it off, I already can tell, I've already been seeing, it's been like that just for a couple weeks. It has an uber amount of roots. So let's open her up. And I'm clumsy to begin with. Not to mention the fact, if you're looking like one of my earlier plant videos, I had to have surgery on my thumb. My right thumb is just aesthetically there. It serves no purpose anymore. So if I'm always making a mess, just laugh. It's okay. That's cute. I don't know if y'all can see this. Look at this little ball. So I want to make a mess. Sugar. How about I not do this here? I'm just going to cut. Look at that. That's my top cutting. Gorgeous. And she is ready to go. All my plants are she's. You know what I'm saying? But she is cute and she is ready to go. Look at the backs. Look at the back. So I'm going to plant this baby up. Thank you for watching. Oh, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, drink water, mind your business, and be kind to others, because you never know what anyone is going through. And with that being said, toodles.